After the database registration, your charts must be licensed, in order to view them properly on ECDIS with all required details for safe navigation. To license your database, use the license file from your charts provider. The first option for licensing is to add it manually. Go to Menu Data. Open Licensing tab. Click Add License manually and select the database you want to add license to. Select the zone that will be opened, and type the license string that provider sent you. When finished typing, click Add License. The second license option, and most common, is to add it from a file. Copy the password.usr file sent from the charts provider into a USB drive, and mount it to your ECDIS. Then again select Database, and click the license available from USB drive. Click Add License. A message will confirm that license added successfully. You can view your licenses list by selecting the database, and click License List. Finally, you can view expired license before a specific date. The last option of licensing is Dynamic Licensing. Click on Dynamic Licensing tab. Dynamic licensing gives clients the possibility to pay for licenses for single charts that were actually viewed, rather than for licenses for a whole database or a chart collection. For more details on this license, please contact your charts provider.